This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Brenda Lavin. Move-in ready 3/2 FCBS home has great open floor plan including family room, formal living and dining room. Newer tile flooring laid on the diagonal in living areas and all bedrooms have wood laminate. No carpets. Master bath has dual sinks, separate tub and shower. Interior has been freshly painted. Screen patio overlooks large backyard with plenty of room for a pool. Small canal in rear of property provides extra privacy from neighbors. Centrally located for commuting and just minutes from the beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Lavin at 772-530-9515.